welcome to SQL Buddy. I am Anmol and I'm thrilled to kickstart this journey with you into the world of SQL. So if you are passionate about databases, data analysis, or simply curious about how information is managed, you are in the right place. Firstly, we will know what is SQL. SQL is structured query language and it is used to manage databases. So question arises, what is a database? Database is in the form of a table stored in the server and we can access the information and show in a website. So this is a table. So you can consider a database like a table for your simplicity. A database contains one or more tables. Each table has its own name like sales, employee, and so database is a collection of organized data that can be stored or accessed on a computer system. So question arises, what changes can we make in database? We can update a database, delete some values and insert some values. So the most common application of the SQL is in the web development. So we will learn how to use SQL in our website. In the website, we can use SQL to access the data that is stored in the server. To build a website that shows the data from the database, we will need RDBMS, which means Relational Database Management System, to use the SQL to get the data we want. How to make the changes in the databases? Changes are done by the SQL statements, and example of a famous SQL statement is select star from EMP. This statement select all the information from the employee table. So we have to conclude this video, and this information is enough to start our journey with SQL. In the next class, we will learn how to install SQL Plus in our system.